Hello, everybody. My name is Michael Meier, and I'm super excited to share with you our latest acquisition, The Grove. Now, every once in a while, an incredible opportunity comes across your desk, and being able to actually seal the deal is just something I'm super excited to share with you and give you the opportunity to participate in. This is a property that checks every one of the five boxes we look for a property. The price is a really discounted price, in our opinion. The location is phenomenal. The building is terrific. The business plan is proven, and the returns are exceptional. I'm going to explain all this to you in a moment. Just always know when you purchase real estate, it always carries risk. Please take a look at the disclaimer in our offering memorandum and let us dig in. Okay, price-wise, we're talking about purchasing this property at $6,950,000. That is roughly $6 million less than the basis of the current owners they have in the property. It's $58,000 a door. That's really incredibly low for our marketplace. So when you find an opportunity like this, you got to work really hard to try to make it happen. We've had our eye on this property for a while. We know the New York City team that owns this property. And as a matter of fact, a few weeks ago, Brian was in town in New York City. We went out to a restaurant called the Knicks and we brought our wives. We had a good time. And we invited the owner that we were trying to purchase this property from to meet us for dinner. That's a bit of an unusual move here. We wanted to make sure we're able to make this happen. And fortunately, we were able to make it happen. And I'm excited to share this opportunity with you. Now, the second thing I love about the property is the location. It is central in town. It's just where you'd want this to be. That's great. Number two, it is directly across from our office. You can see me and Brian talking in front of the Grove and pointing to the office in Victoria, Texas. So that's just us knowing it, operationally being there, owning properties nearby is just a terrific thing. As a matter of fact, between me and Fergmar Capital, Brian, my partner, we have 1,100 units in this town. So talk about being local. We are local. Now, the building itself has so much going for it. It's 288 units. It's on a very comfortable 10-acre plan. There are 5 different floor plan types. We believe the unit count mix is really, really great for the desirability of our marketplace. So we really, really like that. And on top of that, there's already been $3.85 million invested into this property since 2020. So it's really going through a process of being upgraded already. It already looks nice. Once we're done with it, it's going to look exceptional. Now, the business plan. This is like one of the most important things. When I buy a property, I want to mitigate my risk. Okay, I'm just not a very risky investor personally, and especially when I'm inviting people to invest in deals with me. And in this case, we believe there's a proven business plan. What I mean by that is the current owners have already renovated 28 of the 288 units. They've increased rents from the classic units to the premium units they've renovated from 14 to 25%. We're going to come in, we're going to continue what they've already started. We're going to renovate the rest of the units to a premium level. We're going to renovate it even a little bit more than they have already renovated those units. And what we're going to do is increase the rents like they have, and just a little bit more because we're going to do a little bit better of a job. And putting that on the side, we're going to be renovating the community elements itself. We're going to improve the fitness center. We're going to put in a dog park. We're going to put in a security gate in front of the building. That in itself organically is going to, we believe, increase the rents. So we believe we're being incredibly conservative on what our targets are for rent, and that mostly they've already been proven. Actually, some of the unit types, we're actually looking to just keep the same price that they've gotten. So again, we're being very, very conservative over here. And I really love that in this business plan. And last, but definitely not least, is the returns. If we're able to follow our business plan and hit our projected returns over here, we're talking about achieving a 30% average annual return for our investors, a 26% IRR, 2.5xing your money over the course of 5 years, which is the life cycle of what we plan on doing this deal. Now, it depends on what tier investor you're in, so please give me a call and I'm happy to share more details. But no matter what, you're going to be impressed with the returns that we have on this deal with a local operator who knows this market really well. And we're just really excited to share this with you. The only thing I'll say to you is if you have an interest in this property, please reach out to me immediately, because we've just started to tell people about this opportunity a couple of days ago, and we've already raised 2 million, already have 2 million committed from the 6 million that we're raising for this property. So again, this is an opportunity that's going to move pretty quickly, mostly because of the returns and the local operator and the proven business plan. It's also just a nice looking property and opportunity. So please reach out to me. I'd love to share it with you. I'd love to tell you what we're doing here in the background and give you all the details that you need. This is Michael Meier at Meier Capital, partnering with Fergmar Capital, and excited to share more with you. Please reach out to me.